Okay, what I'm gonna do now is, like my man Todd said, we're gonna try to start it and then put it in first, and then see if the clutch is still doing the same thing. Yeah. Disclaimer, I came out here in flip-flops. I don't ride my bike in flip-flops. Nonetheless, this is what it is tonight. Okay, so that was the issue I was talking about. I would let the clutch out while it's in first, and the bike would not stall. So I'm wondering, I know I probably definitely messed up on doing the clutch adjustment. So I'm gonna upload this to the forum and then go from there. I have not done the redone that adjustment. I had to work late, so we'll look to doing that tomorrow after I get off work.